Okay, now I will describe how to create or design a portfolio landing page or your business landing page in WordPress. So for that I install Esta theme and Elementor as everyone does. So let's take a new section. Okay, so I will take my heading. Suppose digital marketing agency. I am using a HTML tag for line height. Go to style and go to typography, and I will choose a Montserrat font. It must be there. Montserrat font is best for heading. Here is it. I will increase the size and increase the line height. Okay guys, now I will take my subheading, just change the color to white, make it center alignment. Okay, that's it. Now I can use a button, make it center alignment. I will write here, suppose contact me, contact us, change the color, make it Tiffany blue like our text color. I will change the text color to dark for black and blue combination. Now I can take social icons, here you go, make it circle. You can add more icon, and for using link just click here, and I will take a margin for top. Now go to section, I will take padding. Okay, I will take 30 and 30 in bottom. Now I can go to style. I can use happy particle effects, enable NASA polygon. Yes, polygon is best. You know that people used to use CSS for the background effect, but you can do it freely with Elementor. And our hue section is complete. We'll take another section for about us. Suppose I will use an image. There are a few images in my media library, so I will use it. And for text, I will take text editor, and I will copy this text and paste it again and again. Okay, change the color to white. And now I will take margin for top. Now I will take a button. Okay, I'll change the color to blue, Tiffany blue. Same, I will change the text color, and now I'll change the content. Suppose read more. Okay, our about section is done. Now we will take another section and search image box. bring it here. Okay, we can delete it. Now use your image. Okay, I will use that image, and you can take another section, or you can add a button. Now we can duplicate, again duplicate. So we can use our services, images, and our headline, text, etc. And I will take another top margin, $60. Finally, we can add our contact. Okay, better if you install your contact form 7. Okay, select form, go to style. Okay, I will change background Tiffany blue, and I will change the color to white. Sorry, I will change style, not button. I will change the color of form field to text color, placeholder, no placeholder, that is label. Yes, label, that is it. We'll change the color of label to white. And for button, we will go to submit button, background color, okay, and text color. It's done. We can change background color here also. We'll make it blue and change the text color to dark, and we can copy and place the layer style. Sorry, and place the layer style. Copy and place the layer style. Okay guys, our portfolio is done. You can add more section like this. All you have to research on YouTube and Google. So we'll update. So if you need more information for plugin, theme, what you want to see, I will design. You can comment. It was all for today. Tata, goodbye. God bless.